Hey there, everyone. This is Mr. DeGenero coming back at you from my daughter's room this time. She's using mine to do her own stuff for Juilliard. All right, so what's on the agenda today? Well, what's on the agenda is going to be um, first and second ending brackets. So they're not very difficult. Take a look at what these look like. Okay, so not a big deal. They have it's like a half of a square, a rectangle, with a one, and then another one with a two, and that's all it is. So what really is ended up happening is you have the same set of music, but you just want to change the endings, and that's it. So they put these brackets over it, and whichever ending you want, that's the one you go to. So the first time you would do the first ending bracket, and then anything else, it'll be labeled. And you're going to see some examples this week with just that. And they're quick examples, but I like them, so I'm going to show them to you, and we can get used to seeing first and second ending brackets. Now, the other thing about these brackets is in the first ending, you're always going to have a set of repeats, and you all know what those are. You guys have been very clear about that since I've been here. Repeat signs tell you to do whatever's in the middle of them, and in this case, you're going to see first and second endings with repeats. You'll always have repeat. Now, the second ending, it's going to happen whatever happens after it happens after it. The song could continue, the song could end. It really doesn't matter. And what you have to do is look closely to know where you are at all times. And that's going to answer the question, where are we? Every time I play a set of brackets or first, second endings, we have people who are just kind of curious as to what's going on there. And that's the whole idea of this. So, my thing for you is to follow along, know where you are, not just follow what I say, but know where you are, and then lesson learned. And life is good. Okay, thank you. All right, everyone, welcome back. So, here we go. First and second endings. Very first thing you need to see is this repeat sign. You know you're coming back there. Somewhere there's going to be another one. So, you look through the lines. You look through the lines, and I don't see any repeat signs on this page. So I'm going to go to the next page. I look through it, look through it, look through. Nope. Look through. Now I see a bracket. Now I know there has to be one. And if I look, it's right there. All right, this is called first and second endings. Basically, the song is all written all the way up to here, but they just want something different a second time. So the first time, you're going to do what's in there. End of song. Do you see the number two? That tells you that's going to be the start of the second verse. So once you hit that, you're going to do the repeat, which brings you all the way back. And if you notice, it's in the beginning. That means they want all the music the same except for these endings. So here's the first one, and here's the second one. So you're going to read the whole thing the first time. We go through, read the first time, and do it. Go back to the repeat, all the way back to the other page, which is over here. And now you're the second time, right? So you're going to read this second line. Okay, well, it's highlighted for me. So you're going to read the second line, read the second line, read the second line, read the second line. You're used to this. You're doing fine with that. All right, we're going to keep reading the second lines. The music's the same. The words are different, but the music's the same. And the music is what's mattering. That's why I'm doing this. Okay, now we have this choo choo, choo choo, to boogie, woo woo. That's kind of like a little refrain, but it's not really. But it's still the same until you get to here. Now you've already done it once, so you're just going to skip to the second time. Take me right back to the track Jack. And that's it. It's that easy. So the first time, you do it the first ending. The second time, skip over the first ending because you've already done it. We don't want it no more. We're going to throw it away and go to number two. And then you're done. That's first and second endings. So the goal today is to follow along, know where you are. Singing It's Always a Help. If I was there, I'd ask you to sing it because I don't know what's going through your mind. It's the only way I can see what's going on. But since you're home, do that. Okay? You want to do the first line, the first verse, then the second verse, and make sure you're taking the appropriate ending, and life is good. All right, here we go. This is called Choo Choo Boogie. This goes by several names. I've done this song with a chorus of mine as well. This is the type of music that came just before your bebop or your rockabilly, which turned into rock and roll, which turned into and evolved eventually into your rap and stuff you hear now. All right, here we go. I don't want that song. Let's try another one. How about this one? Here we go. Ready? We're on number one. Let the introduction get over with. Here we go. Skip to the next first line. Skip the first line. Here we go. Now watch your endings. Ready? Alright. First ending, first time. Now we're on the second line. Second line. The next line. And move on. Now we're going to skip over this first time. Don't forget. So watch this cursor come down. And that's how they finish the song. Now, like our previous versions, videos, what I'm going to do is I'm going to back off. I'm not going to say anything and replay the songs in a higher quality. That means when I'm making a video, I have to just make a better one, insert a different song into it. But nonetheless, check it out. This is cool. First and second endings, you have repeat signs and brackets. All right, I'll be quiet now, and we will bring up the song one more time. Sing along with it. You're by yourselves. Play something along with it if you want to as well. Anything appropriate would work. All right, here we go. Okay, you guys, now just like before, there's conditions to these. Music has been around for an awful long time, and so are these brackets. So there's conditions that go on. I'll show you some of those as well. That's what we're going to be doing this week, our first and second endings. All right, y'all. We'll see you until next time.